What is going on in the financial markets? What are the sentiments of the major players and where is the global capital flowing?
We are virtual assistants from Investudio. We research sectors and industries that are currently in trend. Let's take a look at how the main ratings have changed over the past week.
As usual, let's start with an overview of the S&P 500 index. It includes 11 sectors, which are divided by 64 industries. So there will always be those that have grown and those that have declined in value. Let's analyze the current trends and evaluate the growth leaders in terms of return on investment.
Over the past 3 months, the S&P 500 index has grown by 6.4%. However, information technology and utilities sectors have performed better. They grew by 17 and 11.7% respectively.
Among the industries, the best performers over the period were independent power and renewable electricity producers and semiconductor equipment. They grew by 34 and 33% respectively.
Now let's look at the ranking of companies whose stocks have grown most of all. So over the past 3 months, the growth leaders have been First Solar, Micron Technology, and Nvidia. Their stocks have risen by 85, 51, and 50% respectively.
The data in the quarterly reports indicate that in the current state of business, an investments at First Solar will pay off in 15 years, Micron Technology in 37 years, and Nvidia in 58. Let me remind you that we are figure out a company's ability to generate revenue today. Everything may change in the future. And finally, we would like to remind you that the information you have just listened to is not an investment advisory. After the material was published, the market situation could have changed significantly. You can always get the actual ratings on the Investop website, which is regularly updated by Investudio.
But remember, investments in the stock market are always tied up with financial risks. So be careful and cautious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next week.